Hello, it's Natasha, and here we are in my section of the Moodle for Teachers teacher practice area, and we will be adding some resources to this area. Now, I did this task in reverse order, so I already added some activities here, and now I will be adding some resources. So first of all, we need to turn editing on. So remember, this needs to flash. This needs to be red for the editing to be on. Now, tell you what, I'm not happy with the order of these activities. If you're not happy with the order of these activities, you can click on this cross and just move the activity around. So this is the proper order. Okay, now I can start adding resources, and I will be working with a video. I have already copied the link to speed us up. I will add this video two ways. First, I will add it as a label, because the label module enables you to embed your text or multimedia straight into your course page. So your students are able to see it as soon as they go to your course page, and this is great if it's, for example, an instructional video or you want to give them homework. So I click on Add, and this is what happens. Don't try to put a title here, there is no room for that. Go straight away and do what you want to do. We already know how to upload videos. We've done it many times. So we search for a YouTube video. The system finds it. You click Select and you click Insert. And then you click Save and Return to Course. And here it is. But let's say it's really big and it's nice and it's sometimes good to have it in your front page. But let's say you don't want to have it in the front page. You don't want to overload your front page. So there are several ways to do it. One way is to choose the page option. The page module enables a teacher to create a web page resource and then again add text, videos, multimedia, all sorts of things, but it won't open on the course page. It will look slightly different. So this time we can give it a name. It's idioms with paint, with the word paint in them. There should be question mark, but I can't be bothered. And then we already know how to insert the video. There it is. Find it, select it, insert it. Remember to click Save and Return to Course. And then, this happened to me last time I was trying this. Don't know why, but it doesn't always work the first time around. Last time I thought I'd done something wrong, but apparently not. So let's try one more time. These things. Okay, I was just saying these things happen, I don't know why, and then I had a coughing fit. Sometimes those things happen too, and your teacher has a coughing fit right in the middle of the class. Happens to me, happened to you, I suppose. So luckily Screencast-O-Matic has a pause button. So I paused, had a glass of water, and in the meantime, idioms with paint have appeared on our page. Here they are. So they will now open in a separate window. My computer is slow, probably because I have like 1,000 windows open, but there it is. So this might be practical if you don't want your front page full of links. Another thing you can do, now that we know how to create labels, I already showed you that you can move these things around. What you can do is you can add some text right in the front page in between these activities, because these activities look a little confusing, I suppose. So these two activities are friendship idioms, they're vocabulary. So what I could do is I could say add an activity or resource, then add a label, because remember, labels enable you to have something on your front page, whether it's text or a video. So I can say let's learn some vocabulary now, and then I can add that. So that's like I can make it big, save or return to course, and it's too big. No, it's not too big. It's good, but it makes no sense here at the end, does it? I want it here. And this is my title for this whole section. And now I want to add some explanations about what kind of vocabulary we are learning. So I will add another label, and I will call it friendship idioms. And I will make this text slightly smaller. And again, of course I don't want it here. I want it before my hot potatoes exercises, which are about friendship videos. As I said, I've done this in reverse order. So I did the I did the activities first, and finally we will add one more label, and this time we will say idioms with paint. Okay. And this is also going to be heading 2, but because of the type of the idioms, or because we will be doing idioms with paint, I want to go a little crazy here and I want them to look like idioms with paint, so I will make them all colors of the rainbow. There. I think this will look great. I just need to position it correctly, and here it is. Oh, lovely. This might not look so big on your computer because I have everything extra large because of my eyes, which are a bit weak. And let's see what it looks like when we save it. No, not when we save it, but when we turn editing off. Let's see what it looks when we turn editing off, what it looks like. Here are some icebreakers at the top of the page. The first one is, well, an icebreaker about your free time. The second one is an icebreaker about icebreakers. Then we move on to vocabulary. First, friendship idioms. 2 activities. Second, idioms with paint. And we have the same video twice. So you know what? I would probably go and delete this video and leave this one, or maybe the other way around, depends on my mood. But now this looks almost like a mini course, and I'm not too unhappy with the results. So sorry for all the pauses I made in my speech. I was learning and doing. I was learning by doing, and it's already 12 minutes long, so I'm signing off.